If I had a plant, I'd teach it to eat rubbish so I'd never have to clean up ever again. Did you ring the bell? Brilliant! Wait here a minute. Wow, that plant can move by itself.
Henry, you can't have finished already.
All right. Oh, this is exhausting. Yay, finished! Oh, time for a little rest. Oh, stupid Peter and his stupid plant waking me up so early.
It's for me! We've come to see your plant. How's it doing? Ta-da! Ooh, it's lovely! How do you get it to grow so big? Regular nutritious food. And I've been reading it poetry. Ooh, yes! It especially likes sardines.
Are you going to play a game, boys?
Oh, yes! What a super idea! What shall we play? Sardines, of course!
How lovely! Shall I take your plant up to your room, Peter?
Yes, please, Mum. Sam and I will count. Gordon, you hide. Oh, goody! 1, 2, 3. 10! Coming ready or not? I wonder if they're in here.
Hey, some of us are napping.
Have you seen Gordon or Sam anywhere?
No, I was asleep, fungus head. All I've seen was the inside of my eyelids. I was asleep.
But...
Out!
Aha! I bet they're in here. Nope, not in here. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you, my little friend. It must be nearly feeding time. Get off my bed!
Am I dreaming? You ate Moody Margaret! Yes! Oh, yeah! Margaret's plant food! No more Margaret! Oh, no! You don't want to eat me? There's lots of other delicious people to eat first, like Miss Battleaxe and Soggy Sid and that old lady who always lets her dog wheel my leg, and Peter. Plant, I command you. Eat perfect, Peter.
Oh, there you are, Henry.
Yes?
Who were you talking to?
Your plant. It's eaten Margaret, and now it's going to eat you.
My plant? You are funny, Henry. Plants don't eat people.
I must be dreaming.
Oh, feeding time.
I'm off to watch TV.
There you are, little planty wanty. Lovely, nutritious food. What a silly Billy. Eating people. I blame the television programmes he watches. But you've just been fed.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
over if it's the last thing I do.
You must be exhausted, Sammy.
He must be exhausted.
Thank you, cher ami. My head, it is much better.
Yippee! Then shall we play chess?
A little later, perhaps, dear Peter. But first, may I have a drink?
Oh, allow me! It would be an honour to make a drink for our guest. Oh, yes. A drink for our guest. Here's a drink you'll never forget, Slimy Sammy. Here you are, Sammy. Here's your lovely drink.
What is that?
It's called a Sammy Surprise.
What's in it?
It's a surprise.
Oh, thank you, Henri.
Hope you like spider juice, Sammy.
For you, madame.
Oh, merci.
Oh, no. Oh, Henry! He's not going to beat me in my own house. I'll show him who's boss. Now for a bit of home unimprovement.
Time for a surprise, everyone!
Uh-oh.
Cream cake! Henry!
Right, it all needs to go in the cupboard upstairs.
Yes, Mum.
Hello, Henri. I was thinking you might like a little help, no?
No thanks.
Voila!
Thanks.
Mon plaisir. Ah, but wait! You have dropped something. Just let me put it back.
No, wait!
Comme ça.
Henry!
Ah, Henri, I'm so sorry to get you into trouble again. But I have done something special for you.
Oh, yeah? What's that?
I cleaned your room.
You did what? No one messes with my fantasies. Time to show you who's boss in this house. Oh, he's even organised my comics alphabetically. Rule number 1, know your enemy. Ow! Huh, you think you're so clever, Slimy Sammy? What are you looking at?
Henry, you're not allowed in my room.
Who cares, worm?
Well, I'm going to show Sammy my stamp collection. Where is it?
Where's what?
My stamp collection. It's gone. Mom!
Oh, maybe the stamp fairy took it.
Mom! Henry's taken my stamps!
Why would I want your stupid stamps?
And why are you cuddling that?
I'm not! Ugh, get away from me!
Ow, it's heavy!
Look, what's that?
That's my stamp collection. You did take it.
No, I didn't! It fell out of there!
But that means the person who took it was
Sammy!
But why would he take my stamp collection?
Let's ask him, shall we?
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we bring you the semi-finalists in the Interscholastic Junior Vocal Musical Sing-a-thon. Thank you, Peter. That was practically perfect. And for those of us who can't be as perfect as Peter, remember to watch and learn. See, Henry? All you have to do is watch and learn.
So, how does it feel, Henry?
What do you mean?
To have a little brother who's a superstar?
Ha! You mean the worm?
The worm that's turned. My advice to you, Henry, is to watch and learn.
Hello, this is the residence of Perfect Peter Superstar.
Good evening. May I speak with Perfect Peter's manager? I'm calling from Make Me a Megastar. We're in your area next week and we think Peter...
Really? Well, Mr. Make Me a Megastar, let me tell you what Perfect Peter's really like.
If that fee is acceptable.
What did you say? What fee?
The fee we pay if he gets into the final. £500.
Five
We can go higher.
higher?
£750 if you insist.
£750?
All right then, £1,000, but that's our final offer.
All right.
Henry?
Deal. It's a deal. We'll be in touch. Gotta go now. One of my artists needs me.
Who was that on the phone?
Just a wrong number.
Are you coming to join the party, Henry?
Oh, no, thanks. Early night for me.
Are you feeling all right, Henry?
Oh, yes, thanks, Mum. I know the value of sleep.
Now, I'm really worried about you, Henry.
Watch and learn, Mum. Watch and learn. More milk, Peter?
Yes, thank you, Henry.
Well, I must say it's a pleasure to see you down so early for breakfast, Henry.
I'll get it, Mum. What do you want, bogey brain?
I've come to claim what's mine.
What do you mean?
Peter, I've come to make him a megastar. Now, where is he?
How do you know about that?
I heard it on the grapevine. Now, bunch!
Mum's not here at the moment. He's gone for a walk.
Well, when he gets back, tell him that I need to see him, and quickly. There's no time to lose if we're going to get him through to the final.
Will do. Bye for now. Come on, Peter. We've got work to do.
Have you?
Yes, Peter's going to help me. Count my pocket money.
Am I?
Move it, worm.
But what if I don't want to be a megastar?
Oh, you do! Believe me, you do!
Who's going to make me? Come on, you and I. What's that?
Stay there. I'll deal with this.
Oh, yes. This is my moment. I have not lived next door to those revolting boys for my whole life for nothing, you know. Finally, Margaret. Finally.
Margaret.
Henry, you lied to me. He's in there, isn't he?
Yes, he is.
Then let me at him.
He's my wormy little brother, not yours. So I'm going to make him a megastar, not you.
Ha! That's what you think.
I'll go now, Henry! As I was saying, Peter...
It's you or her?
Not much choice, is there?
Then I choose you.
Wise choice, Peter. Wise choice. Now, about your image, Peter.
Welcome to the auditions for Make Me a Megastar. When you're ready, Peter.
Farrah Shaka, Farrah Shaka, where are you? Where are you? Bedtime is for baby.
Go for it, my little songbird.
Get up now. Get up now.
Thank you.
You're through to the final!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
And then the ants painstakingly burrow their way down through the soil to build their nest.
Henry!
Henry's best party ever. Item 1, food. Crisps, burgers, and loads of chips.
Carrot sticks. Yummy. Peanut butter sandwiches and plenty of apple juice.
Item 2, the trip to Laser Zap. We'll go in a fleet of stretch limos.
No limos, much too expensive.
One bus is much greener than lots of limos.
Don't know why you're bothered. You're not coming.
Henry, Peter's your brother. Of course he's coming.
But he'll ruin everything.
Don't be horrid, Henry. No Peter, no party.
All right, but you better keep out of my way, worm.
Yes? The birthday boy's name is Henry. Henry, when you went to Laser Zap for Ralph's birthday party, did you break all the lasers?
No?
And put slime in everybody's spacesuits?
No!
What about the goo in the moon boots?
Oh, yeah, that was great! I mean, it wasn't me!
Well, Laser Zap have banned you.
That means the party will have to be here.
No! I want to go to Laser Zap! I promised everyone a great time!
Don't worry, I know lots of good games.
Hello! You can come in if you've brought a present.
Don't be horrid, Henry.
Where's Ralph? He's supposed to be here.
Ralph's at the dentist. His mum's going to drop him off when he's finished. You'll have to start without him.
Okay, go!
This is from...
I know.
It's a pack of felt pens. Do you like it, Henry?
I've already got some.
Henry, what do you say?
Thank you very much. Next!
It's a tapestry kit. I chose it myself.
Why?
Ooh, I'll have it if you don't want it, Henry. Brilliant! You've got some animal soap, a CD of fairy tales. Oh, wow! Cook your own healthy, nutritious food. Fantastic!
What do you say to everyone, Henry?
Ugh.
Henry!
Can this party possibly get any worse?
Party games, everyone?
Yep, it can.
Pass it on, Henry. Yeah, look, pass it on, Henry. Come on, Henry, pass it on.
All right. Here you go, worm.
Don't be horrid, Henry! Now, who wants to play musical statues?
He moved!
Didn't? You pushed me?
Did not.
Did? Henry, I'm warning you.
Yes, Henry, we're having fun.
No, we're we're not. This is fun.